Yeah, what's up, my guys out there, man? You know, this is Forex Strategy Factory talking to you, aka Forex Wizard 666. Oh my God. I want to say actually for my Nigerian guys out there, you got your Nigerian big brother here talking to you, man. I told you. We're bringing that Forex to Nigeria. We're coming to dominate and give the bullshit to some brokers out there. You know what I mean? Oh, so based on the AUD NZD that we took, we're gonna hold it. We're gonna hold it. We're gonna hold it. Okay? If you watch the video I posted, it's gonna touch the white line. It's gonna break it. But I gave you a signal to get out, touching the white line. Okay? But I am going above the white line. But we're gonna be taking this signal as it's going on in buy. We're taking it from today till next week. Okay? We're taking it from today to next week. Like I told you, we don't have problem about signal. Okay? After next week also, we have the pair we're gonna take. We have seen it already. You understand? Like I told you, my friend, we got the eyes to see the forex market. This is 2020. There's no room for bullshit. My broker, they are crying now, like they are sweating from their, I don't know, from their ears, man. You know what? So actually, for all my share, all my good followers, all my supporters, all my fans taking my signal, who trust my signal, I give thanks to you, man. You understand? My signal works, man. My signal works, man. So take care and God bless you, man. See you next time. And I know most of you want to go follow my YouTube channel. You understand what I'm saying? When you click on my YouTube channel, okay, you're gonna know it's me because this is exactly the way I talk everywhere on my social media. When you hear my voice, you know that's me. You understand? What's up? What's up? What's up? This is your man for a strategy factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. You know what? Let me keep the rest, man. Keep the rest of the vibe to myself alone until we hit our target, my friend. Take care. God bless you, man.